Despite droughts, dingoes, forest fires, and hunting, kangaroo populations have been growing, on average, by 1 million animals every year for 50 years. 50 years ago, kangaroos were considered endangered, and thanks to strict government regulation, today in Australia there are more kangaroo than people. A long history of sustainable habitat management is number one of 5 ways in which kangaroo leather is the most sustainable leather choice. Number 2, kangaroo leather is harvested from the wild. Animals that live in their natural habitat don't require pesticides, fertilizers, antibiotics, or the clearing of land for grazing and growing feed. Number 3, kangaroos don't produce methane. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change and global warming. Cows produce 75 billion gallons of methane every day, and there's 25% more methane trapping heat in our atmosphere today, largely because of cattle farming. Number 4, kangaroo leather is far lighter than other leathers and retains its strength even when thinned to nearly 0.5 millimeter in thickness. Because kangaroo leather is thinner and lighter, kangaroo products are less burdensome to make, transport, and store. Number 5, kangaroo leather is dramatically stronger than cowhide. For its weight, kangaroo leather has the highest tensile strength of any leather, and stronger, more durable leathers are more sustainable because they don't require frequent replacement. That's 5 ways in which kangaroo leather is more sustainable than factory-farmed alternatives. Much of this is common knowledge to Australians. I'm a leather worker. I'm interested in sustainability. I've been to Australia, and until recently I was unaware of all 5 of these points. A year ago on my journey to make a truly built-for-life leather wallet, I discovered the amazing properties of these incredibly resilient animals. A lighter, thinner, stronger leather folded with no plastic stitching makes a more durable, more sustainable leather wallet called the AVFolds. Follow the link below to see the AVFolds at avfolds.com.